Hi. So today I'm going to show you how to hang some chairs, lawn chairs or beach chairs on the garage wall that I have here behind me. Now this is a wall made of 2x4 studs covered with drywall. So for this kind of wall, we're going to use these hangers that came from Home Depot basically. You can get them at Lowe's. And they're meant to screw into a wood stud. So you can see they're self-screwing, so you just screw them in there. To get them into the wall, you have to make sure that you have a stud behind that you're screwing them into. You can't just put them into the drywall because they'll fall off. Okay, so I'm going to hang the chair on this wall. The first thing I want to know is where the stud is and how far away from the wall. So I want to make it that height, more or less, and I want to put it right in the middle. But there may not be a stud there, and I may need to move it back and forth. I know that I can't get it any closer to the wall than there, right there. So I'm going to start my search for the stud about that point. Okay. So here's the device that I talked about before. It's in ready mode. Put it there. It looks like there may be a stud. I slide it over a little bit and start over the other way. Okay. So it's marking like if there's a stud there. Put a little line. Now start from the other side. There, it's telling me that there's a 2x4 stud between those two lines, and it makes about the right width of a 2x4. So just to make sure, I'm going to test it down here to make sure it's a stud that goes all the way down. So I'm going to test it here, and there it sounded. I'm going to test it this way. Sometimes it finds things in the middle and it sounds, but it's not necessarily a stud. So you always have to make sure. There it is. So it's finding that there's a stud there, so I can make my hole right there and hopefully hang this chair right in the So to hang this, I could just try to hand drill this into the wall, but the fact is that it's kind of hard to do that. So initially I'm going to do a pilot hole with my drill, and then from there take it and drill the rest of it by hand. Okay, so now we've marked the stud on the wall, and I'm going to drill the pilot hole so then we can screw in the hanger. So I picked out a 1/8 inch drill, which is much smaller than the width of the screw, but it's just to drill a pilot hole. We don't want to make it too wide. We want to make sure that there's enough material of wood for this to grab on. I cleared out the area so I can have access to the wall. I had a tire here and some other things. Make sure in your work area, when you need to do something like this, you have the proper access. You clear out all the area around, and you're ready to do the work in a safe manner. Okay. I'm going to pick about the center of the area. Just a little hole, and now this goes in by hand. First it'll go through the drywall, until it catches onto the wood. And you'll feel when it catches on the wood, it'll become a little harder to screw. If you need to use a screwdriver or some other piece of metal to make it twist, you can do that. And I wanted to show you how to use a screwdriver to help you turn this if it's too hard and too difficult to finish. So you just put the screwdriver in between the two parts of the hanger, and you use it as a leverage to turn it. And that makes it a lot easier than to just do it by hand. And you just keep turning it like that until, like the other one, it's all the way up against the wall. There it is. Now it's ready for hanging it's nice and firm to hang out the aluminum chair. There you go.